This next song was recorded by Widespread Piano, and I tell this story every time I play this song because I think it's hilarious. One day, Todd Nance called me up and said, "Danny, I want you to help me finish the song." I said, "Cool, what do you got?" He said, the thing is, I don't have any music or any lyrics. I said, "No problem. I got you." He said, "Do you have a title?" I said, "Yes, True to My Nature." And it actually came from a conversation that he and I had about both our wives love to ski. And so they love going out to Colorado skiing. And when Todd and I go out there, we're just, sticks in the mud, sit around in the cabin, play guitar, want to go get in trouble. So anyway, this is the song. Now I'm living in this pretty little ski tent. Snowflakes falling down. Every kids are skating by. Everybody's stopping and saying hi. And I'm all right out of my mind. I'm true to my nature, hoping I'm true to mine. Tell me how wrong I am. Let's disagree, then we'll get along fine. I need to eat some crow brains and maybe we'll eat some get some of bread down in New Orleans. Yeah, hey, I need a little ride in my diet. I'm sick of peace and quiet and pleasant dreams. Now I'm walking down along the shoreline. Pretty girls in bikinis strolling by. Pretty sun and a clear blue sky. Everybody's stopping and saying hi. And I'm all right out of my mind. I'm true to my nature, hoping I'm true to mine. Tell me how wrong I am. Let's disagree and we'll get along fine. I need to eat some crow brains and bacon. We'll eat some gator summer ribs and a New Orleans. Hey, I need a little ride in my diet. I'm sick of peace and quiet and pleasant dreams. Now I'm checking into the Reds for 7 days. The thread count on the sheets is fine high. Room service attending to my every need with utmost speed, and I'm